September 5th, 2025. The finance world is buzzing with a mix of dovish Fed signals, tech rivalry, and trade policy uncertainty. Fed policy and jobs market. The U.S. labor market showed significant weakness in August, adding only 22,000 jobs and seeing unemployment rise to 4.3%. This data has strongly fueled market expectations for a Federal Reserve interest rate cut, potentially as early as this month. Treasuries jumped, and equity futures, stocks, and bonds rallied as investors priced in a more dovish Fed stance. This overshadows earlier positive retail sales data that might have suggested inflationary pressures. Separately, concerns about Fed independence arose with a nominee potentially retaining a White House job. AI and tech sector. OpenAI is making a strategic move, partnering with Broadcom to design its own AI chips by 2026, signaling increased competition for NVIDIA in the lucrative AI chip market. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions are impacting the AI industry, with Anthropic reportedly ceasing to sell AI services to majority Chinese-owned groups, as well as those in Russia, Iran, and North Korea. Trade and tariffs. Tariffs remain a significant economic factor. Companies like Lululemon and John Deere are feeling the squeeze from existing tariffs and weaker sales, with John Deere projecting a substantial decline in agricultural machinery sales. While Wall Street firms are betting on courts overturning some Trump-era tariffs, President Trump is asking the Supreme Court to allow his sweeping tariffs and has indicated he would impose fairly substantial tariffs on semiconductor imports very shortly. Other key developments. BioNTech announced success in a clinical trial for an experimental cancer drug. An immigration raid at a Hyundai EV plant raised concerns over labor and supply chain stability. The energy market is watching for a potential OPEC+ production surge, which could impact global oil prices.